Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make shrimp, a garlic butter shrimp, and this is a super quick and easy recipe, so I don't think there'll even be any cuts. I got my pan heated up on a medium heat. We're going to throw in some olive oil and get our shrimp right in there. Move them around so they're all in a single layer. Shrimp only take about 2 minutes aside to cook. So we're going to go ahead and let these start going. Get our garlic in there as well. We'll kind of form a little clump in the middle so that the garlic is kind of touching everything. Now we'll let these just sit for about a minute. Once you see the color start turning a pinkish color on top, we're going to create a little hole in the middle and throw in some butter. Throw in a good amount of butter. You can't use too much because when you pick out the shrimp at the end, the butter is just going to leak off, so it's no big deal. Leave them on this side as the butter starts melting just for another couple seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and start flipping them all to the other side. Go ahead and flip every single one of them. As they're cooking on the second side, finish them off with some salt and pepper. And I add the garlic in a little bit later than usual because as you can see, some is getting brown. So I like to add it on the first flip. And that is literally it, guys. We're going to go ahead and take these out of the pan. And these are perfectly done. It took only about maybe 3 minutes. When we go ahead and take them out, we'll show you the final product. And here's what we end up with. Perfectly cooked. Looks amazing, super tasty. Give them a try. Let me know how you think they turn out.